So the October housing numbers are out for the state of Florida, and I think both buyers and realtors are going to be pretty pleased with these results. So let's dive right in. Okay, so starting off with Broward County. So the first thing you'll notice here is closed sales were up 3.6%. And same with dollar volume, up 4% compared to last year. So that's good. We're starting to see more transactions, which is welcoming news considering that the market has basically been frozen when it comes to transactions. So we will all take this and be very happy with it. Month supply of inventory, you're also going to see it's down to 5.5 months. So just to recap here, we saw inventory spike up, but we're starting to slowly see it inch down. So we were at 5.7 just a couple months ago, and now we're down to 5.5, and median sales price is just down a hair, about 0.5%. Moving over to Dade County, same thing. You'll see closed sales up almost 7%. Dollar volume is double that, up 14%. Median sales price is still in the positive in Dade County, up 1.7. And month supply of inventory, even though this is higher than Broward, it continues to kind of level off in Dade County. We're not seeing those spikes in inventory anymore. For the most part, we're seeing them level off or even come down slightly. And then rounding out the Tri-County with Palm Beach on single-family homes, we have closed sales up 19%, dollar volume up 33%. Median sales price in the positive here in Palm Beach, the most out of the three, up 3.5%. And month supply of inventory happens to be the lowest out of the three counties at 5.1%. So these are very healthy numbers for all three counties when it comes to month supply of inventory and closed transactions. And we'll wrap it up here with Florida for single family homes. So closed sales up 14%, dollar volume up 17%. Median sales price, just kind of hanging steady there. It's definitely down about 1%. And you're seeing month supply of inventory at 5.1. So you'll notice here at state overall, we've seen inventory come down. So this is actually good news for sellers. Buyers, we just kind of want it to freeze right here. I think if we could just sit tight right here with getting month supply of inventory just staying in that low fives, because you're seeing prices come down a little bit. If month supply of inventory just holds steady, that'll be a balanced market, but that will be good news for buyers compared to where we were before. Okay, so moving over to townhomes and condos in Broward County. Big thing here too is transactions. Closed sales up 11% compared to last year. Median sales price definitely down for condos. Good news for anybody looking to buy a condo, down 7.5%. In month supply of inventory, I know this is a big number, but the bleeding has stopped, like I mentioned, and we're starting to see pretty much in Florida, either this number stay the same or also come down slightly. Not as much as single family homes, but at least it's leveled off and we're starting to see a little bit of decline. That is good news. Dade condo market, transactions up from last year, 6.8 and 1.3 in dollar volume. Median sales price, not down as much as Broward County, but definitely down 3.5%. And this is a big number, the 13.9 month supply of inventory. There's definitely a lot more condos in Dade County. But once again, even though this is a huge number, it has leveled off. So good news for buyers, because if we're starting to see this median sales price come down, but yet we still have a large amount supply of inventory, then there's a lot more to choose from for buyers out there. In Palm Beach County with townhouses and condos, closed sales up 3.5%, same with dollar volume. Median sales price here in Palm Beach County is actually up between the Tri-County. This is the only one that's in positive territory when it comes to median sales price. Month supply of inventory might be because, look, their month supply of inventory is the lowest of the three. Still a very elevated number, but theirs has come down. So it's no surprise here why their median sales price is actually up a little bit. And then we'll round it off here with Florida townhouses and condos as a whole. In the month of October, we saw transactions up 11%, which is great for the condo market. Dollar volume up as well, 3.2. Median sales price, we know, other than Palm Beach County, looks like median sales price is down 4.8% for the state as a whole. Month supply of inventory still elevated, but this has come down from earlier in the year. So this is good news for anybody that owns a townhouse or condo out there. So look, bottom line, there's some positive things. I really wish we could just kind of freeze the market right here, because we're seeing prices come down a little bit, but we're seeing inventory come down as well. We're not at those elevated levels. But the other thing too is that income and wage earnings have grown. So affordability is actually improving. I know this is a big sticking point. People think, home prices are unaffordable. And for the most part, I get it, they are. But when you start to see prices come down and incomes rise, we've had the last 2 or 3 months, we've seen affordability improve. If we can continue that, this is great news for buyers. If you're looking to purchase even by the end of this year or early next year, just know there's some positive data out there in your favor. So look, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I just want to wish each and every one of you a very happy Thanksgiving. Okay? Take care. Goodbye.